If you are looking for free stock photos, videos, or illustrations for projects, you have probably come across Pixabay. In this review, I will cover its features, pros and cons, and whether it's still worth using in 2026. What is Pixabay? Pixabay is a free stock media platform that offers millions of photos, videos, illustrations, vector graphics, sound effects, and more. It's commonly used by content creators, bloggers, marketers, students, and small businesses who need royalty free content without paying for expensive subscriptions. Key features: huge media library. Pixabay provides access to a large collection of stock photos, HD and 4K videos, illustrations, vectors, and sound effects. Free downloads. Most content can be downloaded and used for personal and commercial projects without paying licensing fees. No account required. You can browse and download many files without creating an account, making the platform quick and convenient. Easy search filters. Pixabay allows users to filter content by media type, orientation, size, category, and color, helping you find assets faster. Pros: completely free for most users, large collection of photos, videos, and audio, simple and beginner-friendly interface, useful for YouTube videos, blogs, presentations, and social media content, no subscription required. Cons: content quality can vary depending on the contributor. Popular images may appear on many websites and videos, making them less unique. Search results are not always as advanced as premium stock platforms. Some sponsored results lead to paid stock websites. Pixabay for YouTube creators. One of Pixabay's biggest advantages is its video and audio library. Many YouTubers use Pixabay to find B-roll footage and sound effects without worrying about copyright claims. This makes it a valuable resource for creators working with limited budgets. Is Pixabay worth it? Pixabay is one of the best free stock media platforms available in 2026. While it cannot fully replace premium services like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, it offers excellent value for creators who need high quality media without spending money. Final verdict: if you need free stock photos, videos, illustrations, Pixabay is definitely worth trying. Its massive library, easy to use interface make it a great choice for beginners, bloggers, marketers, and YouTube creators. Rating 4.5 out of 5. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.